If you're growing hardneck garlic, then you need to know about the secondary harvest of garlic scapes. This is not only a delicious delicacy, but this can also impact key things like bulb size and the medicinal value of your garlic. So let's get into the details. Only hardneck garlic will produce a scape. Hardneck garlic is considered to be generally a little bit more cold tolerant than softneck types, and it also has a slightly shorter shelf life, but typically larger and easier to peel cloves. Why do you want to remove the scapes from your garlic? Well, there are a few reasons. Number one, they are delicious. They are considered a delicacy. You can do so many fun things with them. They have a lovely garlic flavor, but a little bit less hot than the fresh cloves. Number two, and I think this is the big thing for most people, university studies have shown that taking the garlic scapes off at an appropriate time can lead to 20 to 30% increases in final bulb size, which is quite a bit. There's also some interesting research being done on allicin content related to scape removal. If you're not familiar, allicin is the active component within garlic that gives it its medicinal properties. So that is really interesting to me as somebody who uses garlic medicinally quite frequently. The research has found that though there is not any link with allicin content upon immediate harvest, there is an increase in allicin content on garlic whose scapes have been harvested after 2 months in storage. When is the perfect time to harvest your garlic scapes? Well, ideally, you would catch them about at this stage. One full little loop like this, or even half of a loop, is perfect. Ideally, you would not let them get to this stage. The double curlicues, at this point, they're not gonna be very good to use. They're kind of woody and tough, though you still definitely can give them a shot. They're just not so much of the delicacy. And also, you're not going to be reaping as many of the rewards from the larger bulb size and the increased allicin content if they get to this point. So try to nab them at the perfect stage. The how of harvest is incredibly simple. All you need to do is either snap the scapes off at the base where they connect to your plant, or take a pair of scissors and trim them away. So you've harvested all your garlic scapes. Now what do you do with them? Well, thankfully, they hold all right in the refrigerator. They will store in your crisper for about a week. Some sources do claim up to a month in the refrigerator, but I think it's more like a week. And then you can turn them into all kinds of fun things. They make a particularly lovely pesto, and pickled garlic scapes are another one of my favorites. I'll put recipes for both of those things in this video description if you want to give those a look. Whether you're a garlic scape pro or you're a total newbie, I hope you found this video useful and informative. I'd love to hear from you in the comments if you have a pro tip I didn't mention, or maybe what your favorite thing you learned today was. If you did find this video helpful, remember to give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and I'll see you guys next time. Enjoy your garlic.